Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
I will explain why and when to change your Flutter SDK path in Visual Studio Code. If you installed Flutter to a new folder, you must point VS Code to that exact path. Typical locations include C, /src/Flutter on Windows, or /home/user/Flutter on Mac OS and Linux. You should first run Flutter version and Flutter Doctor to confirm the installed SDK responds. Keeping the path current prevents version mismatches and broken debugging. Now we will change the setting inside VS Code step by step. Open Visual Studio Code and press Ctrl+Shift+P to access the command palette. Type Open Settings, JSON, and press Enter to edit settings directly. In the JSON, add the Dart. Flutter SDK path key with your SDK location in quotes. For Windows, use double backslashes like C, /src/Flutter, on Mac OS or Linux, use /home/user/Flutter. Save the file after editing the setting. Finally, run Developer. Reload window to let the extension reinitialize with the new path. Distribute the link across email, SMS, and website buttons to maximize discovery. Use a clear call to action that tells users the link opens the app directly. Verify the link on both iOS and Android devices and confirm fallback behavior when the app is not installed. Check that the association file remains valid and update it after domain changes. Monitor analytics for clicks and installs and compare registered deep link events. Iterate on the link text and distribution channels to improve engagement and success rates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.